When you raise each side of an equation to a power, it is possible to introduce extraneous solutions. Therefore, it becomes very important that you check all solutions in the original equation. A correct solution will give a true statement. An extraneous solution will give a false statement. Problem 4. Checking for extraneous solutions. What is the solution of the square root of x plus 7 minus 5 equals x? Check your results. After rewriting the equation, we'll work to isolate the radical. Add 5 to each side of the equation, and we find the square root of x plus 7 equals x plus 5. And now we'll square each side, the inverse of the radical on the left, and we have x plus 7 equals x squared plus 10x plus 25. And combining like terms, getting all of our x's and constants on the right, leaving a 0 on the left, we now have 0 equals x squared plus 9x plus 18. We'll factor the quadratic trinomial on the right so that we can use the zero product property to find solutions. So we factor x squared plus 9x plus 18 as the product of the two binomials, x plus 3 and x plus 6. This tells us that x equals negative 3 or x equals negative 6. However, since in the second step we raised each side of the equation to a power, we may have introduced one or more extraneous solutions. So we should make sure we check both negative 3 and negative 6 in our original equation. First, negative 3. Substituting negative 3 in place of x and simplifying. We're checking to see, does the square root of negative 3 plus 7 minus 5 equal negative 3? As we simplify, we find that yes, it does. Negative 3 equals negative 3. So we'll check negative 6. After substituting negative 6 in place of x, both on the left and the right of the equal sign, and simplifying, we find negative 4 equals negative 6, and that's not true. So negative 6 is an extraneous solution of the equation, and the only solution is negative 3. Your turn, part A. What is the solution of the square root of 5x minus 1 plus 3 equals x? Check your results. And part B, a reasoning item. When should you check for extraneous solutions? Explain.